Here is a look at some of the damage we're seeing this morning. Trees have been falling on power lines, causing outages across the metro. We've been monitoring Georgia Power throughout the night. Right now in Fulton County, 781 customers are without power, 461 out in Hall County, and another 79 in Cherokee County. Georgia EMC also tracking about 2,600 customers in the dark across the state, with over 1,400 customers in the dark in Gwinnett County alone. Now, while parts of North Georgia, like where Chris is headed up in Brasstown Bald, waking up to some snow flurries this morning, much of the metro has been dealing with those damaging winds and rain. This morning, at least one family in Tucker will be looking for a new car after a large tree came down, smashing right on top of it. Kara Spelger is there live at the North Lake Manor condos. Kara, show us around the damage you're seeing. This was a pretty big tree.
It really was, and the damage to that vehicle is pretty extensive. Let me step out so you can look at what we're seeing. It's pretty large. It's been here since late last night. People who live here tell me. And if you can see that white Camaro there, it narrowly missed being hit as well. There's only some damage to the side of that vehicle, but the car next to it took the brunt of that damage. Several spaces in the parking lot have been blocked off by tape, as you can see. That's just as a precaution until someone can come and remove it. This means other residents are not able to leave either. We've seen a few people who live here walking around. They were waking up to the sight of the tree this morning. And one person we spoke with not too long ago actually heard the tree when it fell. Here's what he told me about an hour ago.
I was sitting in here watching some HBO, and we heard what sounded like a car crash. It sounded like two cars collided. Look out the window, and as you can see, a large tree has fallen on top of multiple vehicles. Luckily, nobody was inside. But yeah, it was just a devastatingly loud collision.
And I spoke with the owner of that white Camaro. She told me that she is just lucky, or she feels lucky, that no one was hurt and that the damage was not worse. She and the other people who live here are waiting for a company to come and remove this large tree so that they can begin to move out of their spaces and really get a sense of how bad the damage is.
Yeah, definitely a nuisance, but good to remember you can always replace something like a car. All right, you can check the weather and keep up with the forecast throughout the day no matter where you are. Download the 11 Alive app for free, and then don't forget to turn on the alerts for weather updates in your specific community. You'll get them right in the palm of your hand.